Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ang and I make cleaning, cooking, home decor, and everyday lifestyle videos. Today's video is going to be a quick clean with me. But first, we're going to start this day off right by making my favorite coffee drink, which is a cold brew with sweet cream. It's even more tastier because it's in this super cute tumbler. These leopard print decals can be found in my shop. I will leave the link below if you're interested. Homemade cold brew is also super simple to make. Stay tuned to the very end of this video to see how it's made in this picture from Amazon. Let me know if you're cleaning along with me or just needing some cleaning motivation. Whatever the reason is, I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get cleaning. I usually start my cleaning routine with some laundry, then moving on to the kitchen. But I thought I'd mix it up a bit and show you the living room first. I think this may even be the first time I film myself vacuuming the sectional. It's mostly dust and food crumbs on here. My son is pretty much the only one who uses this living room.
I'm gonna do it so it's all messed up and you come in here and show me.
No, really? You don't know how to fold a square?
It's like,
Fold it like a napkin at the fancy restaurant. Make it into a crane. Make it into a fan. Those are your rags. Do you, honey? Hey, look! And then you just put your utensils in there. There you have it. Okay. I like to use soft scrub for the kitchen sink, bathtubs, and showers. You can make your own at home by combining half cup of water, quarter cup of bleach, 1 cup of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of Dawn dish soap, and essential oil if you like. But I think that the bleach overpowers it, so leave out the bleach if you'd like. As promised, here is how I make cold brew with this cold brew pitcher that I got from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description if you're interested. This coffee is from Aldi and it's less than $6 for this entire can. If you haven't tried cold brew yet, it is a must because it has a smoother and less acidic taste. Also, the caffeine content is much higher than a hot coffee. So stop buying those pricey bottled ones from the store. You will be hooked on homemade. Just let this keep for at least 12 hours in the fridge, but I like the flavor better after 24 to 48 hours. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in a few days in the next video. Happy cleaning!